video, we will be unboxing the condenser microphone that I ordered in Bangood 1 week ago. So it's really a fast shipping because it arrives today, Wednesday. I ordered it Monday, and now it's here. For today's unboxing, Angela will come and join me on unboxing the condenser microphone.
Where we will be doing ASMR.
Eventually.
So now we will start unboxing the condenser microphone.
And I'm actually on Clash of Clans.
Actually, it was damaged. It's not damaged inside. You will see.
What's up, Shani? What's that ringing? I had a rush. Ooh la la! Look, this can go away. Wonderful. And I think you still know me from the other vlog.
Yeah.
My room tour.
Yeah. These are the colors of the microphones. But I think I choose the color black. Chosen. I think I forgot already. So we'll see. Where is it?
Here.
Have to open here and here.
Yeah, there.
Here.
And hallelujah! Wow!
Here.
And y'all hear us better when we'll install these things.
We will install this in the office upstairs. And here.
And then this, I don't actually really know what
For the microphone.
Mama
And here.
shows this microphone.
Ah, yeah. That's the gold.
Let's take it up.
Let's open this one.
Hello, hello. But it's not installed yet, guys. So yeah.
We will try to install it later.
And sorry for the barking, but my doggy is very wild.
Here.
Why does this feels like a scrunchie?
Yeah, no. And here.
That I don't actually really know what that
And
is.
the best thing here in this condenser microphone is we have this. They call it as the what do you call that? I will just put it down.
Yeah, here.
The name of
Because
what
we
is this
actually
because I
do
forgot.
not know.
And yeah, here when you go live, you can just press someone wants to clap or gun sound effects. That's the best thing about this condenser microphone. I've been looking for this here in Belgium, but yeah, you cannot find it. You can find, but it's so expensive. This one I only bought for 45 euro. And with this one, the description below.
And make sure to follow us, guys. Subscribe, please.
And hit
that like button and that notification button.
Yeah.
So, till
That's
next
all
week.
for the unboxing on our new condenser microphone with sound card. Yeah, I saw it. Sound card. Bye.